Make a great choice today with the 2015 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, OnStar power passenger seat, traction control, remote start, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, chrome mirror caps. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.